Hello everyone, my name is Bhargavi Jitendra Gowde, student of Premlila Vittaldas Polytechnic, SNDT Women's University. Today I am going to share our major project ideas. Our track is problem solving. Our project group number is group 7. Group members Bhargavi Gowde, Sonal Gowde, Jyoti Pujari. Our project guide is Mr. Bharat Kate sir. To give a reminder to teachers and students in the classroom and staff room of upcoming lectures. This was the problem statement for our first project, which is smart digital planner with display. Baby's activity monitoring like temperature, dampiness of the bed, etc. will be notified. Our second project, smart cradle system. Monitor exercise performed by athletes and notify it if it's going wrong. Our third project, athlete training system. It will be useful to control traffic and easy passway for emergency vehicle. Our fourth project, emergency situation based traffic control. Monitor testing procedure in industry like current and voltage. Fifth project, smart tester. These are the 5 parameters and sub-parameters on which we are going to consider our 5 projects. First, timely completion. The weightage for timely completion is 20%. The sub-parameters are time to learn new technology, time for sourcing the components, external dependency, time for sourcing tools like software and hardware, time for survey, field visit or lab testing. On this basis, we are going to compare timely completion. Resource availability, weightage given is 25%. In this, we are going to consider mentor availability, literature availability, components, software and hardware tools, and training. Social aspect. In this, we are considering ease of operation, sustainability, universal applicability, eco-friendly, compliance with government policy. The weightage allotted to this parameter is also 25%. Knowledge impact. In this, we are considering controllers like STM32, RPI, ARM, 8051 series, PLC, PIC. Protocol implementation like Wi-Fi, Zigbee, I2C, SPI. Android app development, interdisciplinary, IoT, AI, machine language, blockchain, robotics, IP. The weightage allotted to this parameter is also 25%. The last parameter is cost. The weightage allotted to this is 5%. In this, we are considering components, mentoring, training, survey, enclosure fabrication, report preparation, publication and presentation, PCB costing. Now, my group member Jyoti Pujari will explain our first project.
Jyoti Pujari. Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Pujari and I am going to explain my project topic Smart Digital Planner with Display. Timely completion is 4. Time to learn new technology is 0 because we are using here new technology, that's why we are giving here 0. Time for sourcing the components is 1 because in this project in this project the all components are easily available. External dependency. In this project we are not using any external dependency, that's why we are giving 1. Time for sourcing tools is 1. Time for survey field testing is 1. Resource availability is 4. Mentor availability is 1. Literature availability is 1. In this project, we want a document like PDF, papers, components availability is 1. In this project, in this project, component availability is 1. In this project, all components are easily available. Software, hardware tools is 1. Training is 0. Social aspect is 4. Ease to operation is 1. This project are very easy to operate. That's why we are giving here 1. Sustainability is 1. This project are sustainable. That's why we are giving here 1. Universal applicability is 1. Eco-friendly is 1. Our this project are eco-friendly. That's why we are giving here 1. Compl Compliance with government policy is 0. Knowledge impact is 3. We are using in this project we are using STM32. That's why we are giving here 1. Protocol implementation is 1. Android app development is 1 because in this project we are using Android app. That's why we are giving here 1. Interdisciplinary. This project is not interdisciplinary with any sector, hence we are giving here 0. IoT, AI, machine learning is 0 because we are not using any IoT here in this project. That's why we are giving here 0. This all project components the cost is 10,000. The components cost is 10,000. Rest all parameters has been consider approximately, and the total cost is 20,000. Now our group member Sonal Gaude is explain our next project topic.
My name is Sonal Gaude. My topic name is Smart Cradle System. Timely completion 1. Time to learn new technology 0. As we are going Raspberry Pi, it is a new technology of us. So it is 0 is given in this project. Sourcing the uh, components is very easy, so we are giving it 1. Rest all parameter are giving to take time, we are giving it 0. Resource availability 1. As we are components are easily available, we are giving it 1. Rest all parameter are going to take time, so we are giving 0. Social aspect. Social aspect 2. It in this project universally applicable and eco-friendly. Hence we giving 1 marks. Knowledgement impact 3. This project is not interdisciplinary with any sector, hence we are giving 0. Cost 1. This component's cost is 10,600. Rest all parameter has been considered approximately. So total cost is 23,600.
Athletes training system timely completion is 2. Time to learn new technology is 0 because in this project we are using 8051. That's why we are giving a 0. Time for sourcing the components is 1 because in this project all components are easily available. External dependency. In this project, we are not using any external dependency. That's why we are giving here 0. Time for sourcing tools is 0. Time for survey field testing is 1. Resource available 1. All resources are not available except component availability. Social aspect is 4. Ease of operation is 1 because in this project are very easy to operate. That's why we are giving here 1. Sustainability is 0. This project is not sustainable. Universal universal applicability is 1. Eco-friendly. This project are eco-friendly. That's why we are giving here 1. Compliance with government policy is 1. Knowledge impact is 3. In this project, we are using 8051. That's why we are giving here 1. Protocol implementation is 1. Android app development is 1. In this project, we are using Android app. That's why we are giving here 1. Interdisciplinary is 0. IoT, AI, machine learning is 0. Costing is 2. This project cost is Costing is 2. This project component cost is 12,000. Rest all parameters as been considered approximately. The total cost is 23,500. It's over to you, Bhargavi.
Next project is emergency situation based traffic control. First parameter, timely completion. In this sourcing of component, is little hard, so it will take more time. Hence we are giving it 0, rest all is 1. Resource availability. This project fulfill all the parameters of resource availability and all the project are marked 1. So the total marking is 5. Social aspect. This project is not easy to operate and not even sustainable in the society. So it is given 0. Knowledge impact. We are using a controller in this project. Hence it is given 1. We are using protocols. So it is given 1. We don't make any app development in this project. So we are giving it 0. This project is neither interdisciplinary with any of the sector, nor an IoT or machine language is included in this project. The cost of component is 5,000. The rest parameters are calculated approximately. So the total cost of this project is 14,500 and the parameter mark is 5. Now our last project will be explained by Sonal Gowdy.
Smart project topic Smart Tester. Timely completion 3. Time to learn new technology 0. In this project, sourcing of tools and survey testing will take time, so it is 0. Sourcing availability. uh, Software and hardware tools is not available and training for the same resourcing availability 3. Software and hardware tools is not available and training for the same, so it is 0. Social aspect. This project fulfill all the parameter of social aspect, so it is 5 marks. Knowledge impact disciplinary in any sector. We do not machine or IoT for this project, so it is 0. Cost. The components cost is 5,000 and rest all parameter considered has has been considered approximately. So total cost is 16,500.
Matrix table. In this, we have compared all the projects with 5 parameters in a table format. On the left hand side is our 5 projects names and the top we have 5 parameters and on the right hand side there is a total percentage according to the weightage. Into our matrix table, our final project is Smart Digital Planner with Display. Thank you.